How to make more money with private label rights products with your own affiliate program. Whenever you acquire a private label rights license to a product, one of the easiest things you can do to ensure a long-term income with it is by setting up an affiliate program. But before you even waste your time doing this, you need to have your product up to scratch. Most products that come with private label rights come with crappy graphics and crappy sales copy, and you stand no chance in hell getting a sale. So unless you've got a decent product at hand, I wouldn't bother. Assuming that you have got hold of something that looks like it'll sell, you'll want to ensure that you've provided articles, email signatures, email broadcasts, autoresponder messages, graphics and banners, SEO ads, PPC ads and the lot to arm your affiliates with as much as possible. The better your affiliates do, the more sales will occur and the more money you'll make. The next thing is setting your payout. Here's where you'll want to be generous. Don't insult an affiliate with a 50% payout, especially if it's a low-priced product, $47 or less. For them it's just not worth it and they'll just look for a better deal elsewhere. Offer at least 75% and, if you're able to create your own affiliate program, offer 100%. I'll tell you now that I've made a lot of money giving 100% commissions with my products because affiliates love promoting it and knowing they're getting paid for their effort, whilst I get to build my list and sell on the back end through my autoresponder.